Hello.
Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marisa Dinyal, 24 years old, and I'm single parent, and I'm from San Vicente, San Miguel, Bohol, Philippines. I have work experience here in the Philippines, ma'am, for 2 years. I serve as 6 member of family at 3 kids and 61 elderly. At 6 years old and 10 years old and 11 months baby. I do cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, car washing, and taking care of dogs and marketing. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so you know how to taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you?
I do change the diaper, ma'am, and make milk and make foods the baby.
Baby food.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because for my support to my baby and my parents, ma'am.
You are single mother.
Yeah,
right?
ma'am.
So if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
My ma'am.
Your mother.
Yeah.
Okay. How long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
5 years, ma'am, and 10 years.
So long
Yeah.
time. Can you cook Chinese food?
I don't know how to cook Chinese food, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are willing to sing with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Can show us?
Yes.
Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and nose and ears and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Thank you.